Hello student, take the glimpse of the previous video. A react with Na and dry ether, P will be obtained, 100% it will be, and NH and on heating give you K, 5 products are there. Q react with NH and CO give R react with PbR3 and dry ether gives T, and T react with R plus NH in dry ether will give you S. So they all of them are 50% except P is 100%. Okay, so half reaction we have done in previous video. You must watch that video. That till here Q we have prepared that by NaOH there are 2 CHO group, so there is no alpha hydrogen, so Cannizzaro reaction will taking place with NaOH when in the presence of NaOH, and we will see that one mole CHO group is reduce here and oxidize here, so we will get this compound 50% of P. Okay, this is Q, this is 50% of P. They have not written of Q, but you remember that it is 50% of Q. Okay, now we will go further. Now this CH2OH group and COH group both are present over here. They are 50% of P I am writing, so that it will be very easy for you. Now NaH and CO, so decarboxylation takes place in presence of soda lime, so this will carbon dioxide will be lost. Okay, so now there will be no COH group returning here. This is R. This is also this is 50% of Q. Okay, now R may react with PbR3 in presence of dry ether. So what will happen? First of all, this bromide is obtained. The CH2H group here, it will be bromide will be obtained. Nucleophilic substitution reaction will taking place. Now when T react with this R, so what will happen? At that time, Williamson synthesis will be taking place over here. OH group is present, Br group is present, so ether formation will be there. Okay, so see here, 2 rings here, 2 rings here, total 4 rings are there, and these two are joined together, so that is why CH2 linkage, they are joined with O. Okay, so this is ether linkage. So Williamson synthesis will be taking place here. We are using sodium hydride, NaH and dry ether. Don't worry about it. This is a protic solvent, or NaH if any water is present over here which can hinder the reaction, so it will react with water vigorously. So no need to confuse that what we will do further. Nothing to be worried. Only ether formation will be there. Now you get the molar mass of it. So 12 how many carbon, so 26 carbon, 22 hydrogen, and 1 oxygen will be there. Molar mass is 350, but half mole of it is obtained. See, everything is 50%. P 8 mole, then PQ 4 mole, then half of this 2 mole, T 1 mole, S will be half mole, so it will be 175. Thank you for